this is visual field. This is visual field. This is the like temporal side. This is temporal side. This is nasal side. So in what the image in the like temporal side come in the nasal side, come in the eye there is like temporal side and visual side, and there is also superior and inferior side. So what the image form in the like temporal side, what the image that form in the medial side, and what the image form in the medial side, form in the nasal side, form in the retina is the temporal side. So after that, from the temporal side there is some fiber go, and from the nasal side some fiber go. So these temporal side fibers go the ipsilaterally, but the nasal side of the fibers crosses and go contralaterally, and some fiber of the like ipsilateral fibers come to the like in the brainstem and the supply some nucleus, which discuss for these crossed fibers and the not crossed fiber all are go in the this is the optic nerve, and it's formed like optic chiasma crossing the fibers and forming optic chiasma. And this optic chiasma, after that optic chiasma, this crossed fiber and non-crossed fiber go, but ipsilateral fiber and contralateral fiber go in the lateral geniculate body of the thymus. This is the lateral geniculate body. In the lateral geniculate body, it is a 6 layer. So fiber are ipsilaterally like 2, 3, 5 layer, and contralateral are 1, 4, 6. There is a layer medial to the lateral, and into this is the like medial to the lateral 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this like 2, 3, 5, in this 2, 3, 5, when you look in 2, 3 and 5, there is a connection to ipsilateral side of the eye of the retina, and in the contralateral there is 1, 4, 6. After that, some fibers, upper bundle fiber and the lower bundle fiber formation from this lateral geniculate body and go into the orbital lobe, and in the orbital lobe there is some areas like there is from the lower bank and the upper bank and lower bank. So these are the upper, this in the upper bank, this is the upper bank. In the upper bank there is a coming of the like upper bundle, but in the lower bank coming the lower bundles in the occipital lobes. And when we look in the brainstem, so 10% of the ipsilateral fibers come and supply to the superior colliculus and also pretectal nucleus. So these pretectal nucleus are connected in each other. Like in this, we can look like this superior colliculus and some fibers from the pretectal nucleus. Pretectal nucleus supply to the Stinger-Westphal nucleus, and this Stinger-Westphal nucleus, and this Stinger-Westphal nucleus, and also supply it to the third nerve of the nucleus, third nerve nucleus. So third nerve oculomotor nerve and forming the ciliary ganglia, and this ciliary ganglia. So this ciliary ganglia have the fibers from the Stinger-Westphal and also from the cochlear nerve. So this ganglia, cochlear nerve, and this ciliary ganglia go inside the eye and supply the internal eyes muscle, like ciliary muscle, iris muscle. These muscles are supplied by the ciliary ganglion. So information come from the optic root and they go in the pretectal. So the both interconnected, and both are interconnected. These both are interconnected. So the going and also this information going to the Stinger-Westphal both sided, and so there is a parasympathetic activation fiber formation. So it's going to the oculomotor nerve, going with oculomotor nerve and supply to the these ciliary muscles and other inner muscles. So after that, this is our cerebrum. This is our cerebrum. So there is in the prefrontal eye field. There is a prefrontal eye field. The prefrontal eye field present in the posterior to the middle fasciculus of superior frontal gyrus. This is middle frontal gyrus and superior frontal gyrus, inferior frontal gyrus. Superior frontal gyrus, middle frontal gyrus, and inferior frontal gyrus. So there is a region, frontal eye field. In the frontal eye field, so when the information come in the occipital lobe, and there is a occipital eye field. From the occipital eye field there is some fibers. These fibers go into the cranial nerve sheath, abducent nerve, and also from the frontal eye field some fibers go into the this nucleus, and these are the crossing nucleus, and there is forming of the medial lateral fasciculus, and this is the right and left medial fasciculus which is connected to the cranial nerve 3. And after that there is some fibers. Cranial nerve 3 is supplying the medial rectus, and the abducens nerve is supplying the lateral rectus. So when we want to look in the one direction, so there is one is inhibited and one is stimulated. So here is the medial. We can look in this image. There is a medial umbilical fasciculus from the connection between the 6 to 3 and 4 nerves, and also there is a pretectal nucleus. Pretectal nucleus have the connection of the 3 and 4 also, 3 nerve and 4 nerve nucleus also. So this nucleus is also known as the rostral interstitial nucleus of the posterior commissure, and also known as causal nucleus, and it has a convergence center. So how the coordination occur.